Hello and welcome to this presentation. In this presentation we will look at digitising analog video using the Pinnacle video transfer box. Connected is an education reseller for this device. Many of our Sony Virtuoso clients are now using video in their lessons and using Sony Virtuoso, the teacher console, you can see an example here on the left, to send video to the student's soloist screen. They record video from satellite, from websites and from other locations, but they still have many different sources of video that they would like to digitize and make available, typically a VHS cassette or a DVD, or perhaps that they have something that they would like to record from a satellite receiver. In Sony PlayStation in education, our Sony PSP clients are moving towards using more and more video on the PSP for one-to-one interrogation. So for example, a role play, some video in French that they can interrogate, move backwards and forwards in quickly and use. How do we source this video? So the problem is that we have video from a range of sources in mixed formats of DVDs, VHS, it might even be from a camera or on a camera. And how can we make that available on a PC or on an interactive whiteboard or on a PSP, an example, as a digital format? Typically the solution has been to plug any one of those sources shown on the left of the page into a video capture card connected to a PC. This needs a PC. Yes, typically you have good quality. It's quite expensive, or rather can be. Some technical knowledge is needs to be known, not portable, and it's hard to scale up. It's one PC is taken up. It might be that that PC can't also be used for other activities, even word processing. The connected Pinnacle video transfer solution is very different in that it is just a piece of hardware. On the screen shown here we are talking about the video transfer box being this black box here, at which on the left hand side we plug one of our video sources into, and on the right hand side we simply plug a memory stick and also a power supply. So we don't need a PC, it's good quality, it's relatively cheap, very little technical knowledge is required. I can take this and put it in my bag and move it around. It is scalable because of cost, and it's a very flexible solution. How easy is it to set up? On the left of the screen there we have the typical connections that you would find on the back of an analog video device, such as a VCR or a DVD. These are called SCART sockets, and usually you have one SCART socket which you can use to display out to your television, and then another SCART socket which would go out to some form of recording device like a video cassette recorder or a DVD recorder. The Pinnacle video transfer solution, you take the supplied SCART lead as shown here and you plug the SCART into the VHS out on your VHS recorder, on your Skybox, on any one of your sources of video, and then you also plug in the composite cables. So yellow is video to yellow on the box, and left and right audio onto left and right audio, and then at the other end you plug in your memory stick as shown, and then you'll get blue lights to show that all the connections are live, and then on the top of the box you click on the record button and the lights go red to show that it's recording, and then you click on the record button again to stop the process, and on the memory stick you then have an MPEG-4. You can clearly then remove your memory stick, put that into a PC and copy to your local area network or your hard drive as you require for further usage. You can also do the same with a PlayStation Portable. If you put the PSP into USB mode and plug it into your Pinnacle video recording box using the USB cable, then you could also record video straight onto the memory stick in the PSP. So digitizing video to an MPEG-4 is now a much more simple process. At the bottom here you can see that if I refer to the best quality, that if I have a 2 GB memory stick, that's going to give me 2.5 hours. If I have a 4 GB memory stick, that's going to give me 3 hours. In iPod, 30 gig is going to be 38 hours, and a hard drive, 250 GB hard drive, 187 hours. On the website there is a PDF showing this information. For further information and to have a go at watching some videos around this multimedia teaching area and several others, please have a look at our website connectedblog.com. We're always adding new content to this. If you want us to notify of you when new items appear, please enter your email address in the subscription box. Also, we have a presence on YouTube. The address is shown there, where some of these videos can be shown, showing demonstrations, explanations and new ideas. Hope you enjoyed this brief demonstration. If you'd like to purchase a video transfer box, then please get in touch with us. We are an educational supplier of the device, either info@connectededucation.com or our office telephone number 0844 800 9375. Thank you.